back. We are going to be making some Jello. As you guys can see, I have all these packages. These are great value Crystal Light packages. You're also going to need a container, and you're going to need agar powder. And today I'm going to be using 1 cup of water. This doesn't need to be warm, it just needs to be room temperature for right now. We're going to be doing something with the water, so just keep watching. But make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe as well too. So let's get into this. By the way, the agar powder is a substitute for gelatin. I am going to be adding the 1 cup of water to a pot, and we are going to bring this up to a boil. But before doing that, we are also going to be adding the agar powder. We're only going to be adding 1 tablespoon of agar powder. By the way, if you guys are interested in purchasing this powder, I have put the link in my description. Go ahead and click in my description for the agar powder. It'll take you right to it. So as you can see, I'm adding my 1 tablespoon of agar powder. And if you guys want to double in size or double the ingredients, by all means, if you want to make more, but I'm only making just a little bit. By the way, this definitely is low calorie and no sugar and keto friendly. So once I've added the powder in, I'm going to let this simmer, and after I let this simmer for 5 minutes, I will then add my 2 packages of flavoring to this pot. So only for 5 minutes, you guys. Once the 5 minutes has ended, go ahead and turn off your stove. You don't have to remove it from the heat, just turn it off. And then that's when you're going to add your flavor. Now you could choose any flavor there is, because with the Crystal Light packages or the Great Value packages, it's endless. So you can have peach, strawberry, kiwi. I'm actually using strawberry and watermelon. This is definitely good for people who are diabetic and can't have sugar, or trying to watch their sugar intake as far as with keto. This definitely takes the cake for sweet tooth. So once you're done, go ahead and remove it. After that, grab your container that you're going to put this in. Go ahead and pour the mixture into the container. Once you've poured the mixture in the container, you're going to leave this in the fridge, and it's going to sit in the fridge. Don't cover it, because if you cover it, it'll probably take longer to cool down. So what you want to do is just leave it uncovered, place it in the fridge for approximately about 20 to 30 minutes while it hardens. And once it does, cut it up, and there you go. You can even make gummy bears, you can make anything with this. I just didn't have the mode. But on that note, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit, and with that, I will see you in the next video.